In this video, we will guide you through setting up and exploring the Docusign Model Context Protocol (MCP) server from your Claude Desktop application. Note that all values, email addresses, keys, secrets, tokens, and other personal information shown are for demo purposes only and have been deleted or revoked. Here's a quick roadmap of the 4 steps we'll take together. First, get your Docusign Access Token, your secure key to connect with MCP server. Next, we will set up Claude Desktop, then configure the MCP server with your access token. Third, we will restart the Claude Desktop, ensuring the MCP configuration is updated and connected to MCP server. Finally, the exciting part. We will dive into Claude, using simple prompts to explore Docusign MCP's capabilities. In step 1, we'll acquire your Docusign Access Token. Navigate to the Docusign Developer Portal at this URL. Here, you'll choose your preferred authentication type to generate the token. Before you finalize, ensure all necessary scopes are selected to access MCP server. This token is your secure credential to interact with the Docusign MCP server. In step 2, you'll need Claude Desktop application. If you don't have Claude in your machine, pause the video and download and install Claude Desktop application. Once ready, launch Claude Desktop. Next, configure the Claude Desktop config.json file. In Claude application, go to File and then Settings. Under Desktop App section, select Developer. Select the Edit Config. The application will take you to the location of the config.json file. Open the file in your favorite code editor. Populate this Claude Desktop config file with the configuration code snippet provided in the Docusign MCP developer documentation. Replace the access token placeholder with the access token you generated and save the file. In step 3, close or exit the Claude Desktop application. If the process still runs in the background, go to the taskbar and kill the process manually. Then, launch the Claude Desktop application. After navigating to the config settings file configured in step 2, ensure the latest config settings are reflected in the Claude application. If the access token is valid, you should see the Docusign MCP server in a running status, confirming the server is operational. At this point, you have successfully configured the Docusign MCP server with Claude Desktop application. You can now prompt Claude for various functionalities of the Docusign MCP server. Here are a few sample prompts to get you started and help you explore Docusign MCP server powerful capabilities. While executing the prompts, Claude interacts with your Docusign account via the Docusign MCP server and outlines the available actions based on your access. As part of executing the prompts, select Allow Once or Always Allow to continue the operation. Check out the Docusign Developer Center to learn more about our tools. Thanks for watching.